Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent static damage. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. 1. Power off and unplug. Before starting, power off your HP 13 laptop and unplug it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical accidents. 2. Remove the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Keep these screws organized as you'll need them later. Carefully use your plastic prying tool to detach the back cover from the laptop's body. 3. Locate the charging port. Once the back cover is off, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It is typically situated near the power input area. 4. Disconnect the battery. Before proceeding, disconnect the battery to ensure safety. This step is vital as it prevents any power from running through the device while you work. 5. Unscrew the charging port. You will see screws holding the charging port in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe spot. 6. Remove the old charging port. Gently pull the old charging port from its socket. If it feels stuck, check for any additional screws or connectors that may need to be removed. 7. Install the new charging port. Take your new charging port and align it with the socket. Push it in gently until it fits snugly. Replace the screws you previously removed to secure it in place. 8. Reconnect the battery. Once the new port is installed, reconnect the battery to the motherboard. Ensure that it is connected firmly to avoid any issues when powering the laptop back on. 9. Test the charging port. Before reassembling the laptop, it's wise to test the new charging port. Plug in your charging cable and check if the laptop charges correctly. If you face any issues, consider seeking a professional diagnosis without obligation. 10. Reattach the back cover. If everything is working well, it's time to put the back cover back on. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws, securing the cover tightly. 11. Final check. After everything is back together, do a final check to ensure there are no loose screws or parts. If you lack the necessary tools or feel unsure about performing this replacement, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to avoid calls and travel while receiving a quote before any repair work is done. Now, your HP 13 laptop should be ready to go with a new charging port. Enjoy seamless charging and a restored device. Remember, taking care of your tech can save you time and money in the long run. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.